Accidents happen, and when they do, it's hard to know what to do next. Sure, your insurance company covers you, but then you're left to pick your own repair shop. Most times, the repair shop is chosen for you and rarely has your best interest. Not many people know you have the right to choose your own repair shop. What better way to keep your car in factory condition than to leave it here with us? We source original Honda parts directly from the factory, also have our own body shop. Located on Maple Avenue in Saratoga, Upstate Auto Body. Our top priority is your peace of mind.